Hey guys, let me show you how video calls work. So with Workee, by default, you have Workee calls available as a main location for all your video calls. Workee calls is built-in solution. You do not need to download anything. It is already available in your browser. With Workee calls, they are fully free. We don't have any limitation for time. And we support up to 75 participants on Workee calls in one single room. The greatest feature about Workee calls is with Workee calls you also getting ability to record your calls. Workee Plus subscribers getting ability to record calls to desktop, and Workee professional subscribers can also record their meetings in cloud recordings as well. So this is Workee calls. This is base option for you. Maybe if you already get used to Google Meet, to Zoom, you can go ahead. You can select this as your video call provider. Workee have full integration with Google Meet and Zoom, and if you have Google Meet selected, every time when your customer booking you for a meeting, we will use Google Meet and we will automatically generate meeting room in Google Meet, and the same for Zoom as well. With permanent person link, the way it works here, we will allow you to create and to connect something else. For example, you like using Skype, or you like using maybe WhatsApp, or maybe you like using Microsoft Teams. In this case, if you have your dedicated meeting room, if you know that, okay, I use Microsoft Teams, and I have this dedicated link to my dedicated workspace. So you can just put this link to your meeting room in Microsoft Teams. You can just put this link here, provide name of your video call provider, add link, click save, and it means that every time when your customers will book you, or every time when you will schedule meeting with your customers, we will use the link that you provided as a default meeting room. So you will be able to connect whatever video call you have or you prefer with permanent personal link as well. Thank you.